Hey everybody, it's Scott Hamill with Royal LePage Binder Real Estate with a little selfie cam action for you here. I'm really excited to show you this property. It's 394 Cameron and it is a unique experience. If you're interested in having a look at this place, give me a shout. Email, text, good old-fashioned phone call to book a viewing, and you won't be disappointed. You want to come and check this place out. Have a great day. Talk soon.